Okay. I got all that cross cut. I got that same area to work a domino vertically if I need to. Same thing if I need to do a peanut joint, I butt it up against here, clamp the board, put the jig on top, clamp it down, make my joints. That goes back. Curtain is not interfered with. And I can even leave a sander or a router or tools here. They're below the level, so it's not in the way. So I don't use this that much, but now I will, probably because it's available. So the saw, basically slide it up here, slide it up there, and even the router. So whatever I need, it's all there ready to go. And if I need a flat surface for whatever reason, I just pull the fence. The beauty of this is that I'm referencing off these line holes, so there's no adjustment necessary. And I could even remove the fence, set it right back, and I have exactly the same situation. So I can leave the fence down. I can even make line holes, because when I do that, I'm working with what, 18 mil or whatever, 3/4 inch material, and that's ready to go.